For those of you celebrating the Cinco de Mayo Mexican festivities, we have just the recipe for you. And we're going to make with you today tuna tostadas with our amazing -60° tuna maguro. Let's begin. So we're just going to start by crisping up these fabulous tortillas. So just whilst they are crisping up, we're going to cut some really thin slices of the tuna maguro. Okay, so we've got a nice little sweet marinade going on here of soy sauce, a squeeze of lime juice, well, a good squeeze of lime juice, and a little bit of honey. And we're just going to delicately pop all of this in here, all of the tuna in here. So in the same pan, you just want to fry off your leeks. Oh, who doesn't love the smell of leeks? And in with the leeks, I'm just going to do a little squeeze of lime juice. So at this stage, you can choose a spicy mayo of your choice. We have gone for a spicy sriracha mayo. Okay, now you want to add your lovely strips of tuna. You can be as generous as you like. I'm going to go for 3. And then you just want to place some avocado in between your little layers of tuna. Look at the colour in this. It's a festival on a plate. Okay, now you just want to top with a little bit of your leeks and coriander. These are absolutely popping with colour and flavour and an absolute showstopper. I mean, if I was hosting the Cinco de Mayo party, this would be on my menu. They are just absolutely stunning to look at. I just can't wait to dig in, and I hope that you will try at home.